like you're ready. Secured. Veggies from the garden, of course. So yes, we are 3 days in September, but it's never too late, that goes. But posting this for some accountability, okay? Happy Sunday, loves. I'm outside early. Well, early for me is like 11 o'clock. Got my speaker, okay? I'm gonna throw some music on. Today we're gonna tackle this table behind me and the greenhouse. Yeah. And I guess I should water the garden. Strawberries have died off, but look at this little one. Y'all, I forgot every last one of my bottles in this garden empty. It's a lot of bottles in this garden.
I sing because I'm happy.
So this is my pile of used dirt. Look like I got a potato. I'll just start by emptying pots, dirt into here. I have so much of this hay. I really don't want to keep it, but I'm like, gosh, I don't just throw it away either. But it did a horrible job as much as far as it created a whole bunch of weeds, but it did retain the water. But the weeds, y'all, do you see that? There's a frog. It's another small one too that came from up under here. Listen, y'all, I can't do the frogs. Look at that long bad boy there. I'm gonna try to scoop him into a cup and get him into garden.
Nobody great. Nobody.
Hey, loves. Much later than the outfit changed at all. Move the light. I got a lamp out here working on the table. I wanted to come on real quick. Wait a minute. Let me tell you what I will not be purchasing anymore. These. I had some leftovers. I didn't purchase actually any of these this year. These big ones, but I did purchase the small ones. This is the pile for the stuff from I did finish the greenhouse, so it's empty right now. But yeah, I'm not gonna mess with those anymore as far as certain seeds. I really wanted to use them just before the fact that they break down and stuff like that. But baby, it's damn near impossible to keep those things moisturized. I try to put them in a you know bottom water or whatever, but still, if you don't put water in the bottom pan, like, it dries out extremely quickly. I had very good luck this year with the plastic cups, these purple plastic cups. That one's way far away. Let's see if I can. Them right there. And I'm gonna be using these right here. I have a bunch of these from, I think, from flowers that I bought. So those are what I'm gonna be using to start my fall garden seeds. I have yet to start seeds. But what I think I want to do is I may do a mixture of seeds and starters, because I do want to make sure I have some succession planting going on. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I'm out here now because I've been going through some stuff, y'all. So I was not feeling well earlier, so it has cooled down a lot. But I was ready to face the heat. I just started feeling really bad for other reasons. But the table's almost clear. Got the trash, things I'm keeping. My throat is closing. Yeah, I just want to show y'all that. I'll probably show a clip of my shelves and stuff once I get this table completely clear out. Once again, I'm clearing this because I'm getting some roof work and stuff done over here, so I'm having to clear out this area. Then also I need to get cleaned up anyway, because this is my table. I like to sit down and do my seed starting if I don't pull out the little indoor thing and do it inside there. So that's it for your girl. Smooches. Hey loves, happy Labor Day. The Labor Day award goes to my daddy. Look at, oh, why's the light on? Yeah, he has cleared the hell out of my porch. I'm gonna pull them sweet potatoes. These vines, but yep. hopefully I'll be getting my roof done soon. I want to clean up the rest of this stuff, put it somewhere, see what he put in the trash, because yeah, I didn't expect him to come out here and do this by himself. And not only is today Labor Day, today is KSC Production Imagery LLC. It is our 6th-year anniversary. 6 years. Whew. No speech to give, honey. It feels like 6 years. My brother brought over some chicken, so I'm trying to get this seasoned up. I seasoned up some ribs last night, and Daddy's cooking on the grill. Put some tomato for the salad. If anybody was wondering if the vacuum can pick up glass, I'm your guinea pig today. I'm so naked without my other necklace. Y'all know I don't take that one off, but I just didn't feel like it went with the look. But interview went great. Got invited to do a second interview with the actual company. So yeah, wish me luck on that when that comes. Yeah, remember that glass that fell? Yeah. Learned how to take off a P-trap today. Call me Plumber Caressa. I'm glad I was able to get those scrolls that fell out there. Yes, that was a bunch of freaking ice. Oh, progress on my roof. That's what I heard. Now they done been losing year after year, but it's supposed that they come ready this year. Come on, Gamecocks! Woo! Go, Gamecocks! Go, Selena! Now I'm going to a baseball game tomorrow. Do you hear my voice? Done scream my heart out. And we lost. We haven't lost to Crestwood in years.